Hello everyone. So, as you all know that we had come to Rovaniemi to celebrate Christmas Day in Santa Claus village. It was like a childhood dream come true and definitely Rovaniemi will always have a special place in our hearts forever. And with that, now is the time to move ahead to our next destination of our Finland travel series. The cap is here and our next destination is Ivalo. So finally it's time to say bye to Rovaniemi. The cab will drop us at the bus stand and then we will take bus to Ivalo. It took us about 10 minutes to reach the bus stand from hotel. This is our bus and the luggage is getting loaded. And let's begin the bus journey from Rovaniemi to Ivalo. Ivalo is a small town of just 3,000 people in Lapland and it is also famous for its Finnish outdoor adventure like reindeer ride, husky ride, snowmobile, etc. There are two ways to reach Ivalo from Rovaniemi, flight and by bus. But bus is the most recommended option as it is economical, time efficient and also convenient. Buses run 4 times a day between Rovaniemi and Ivalo. The earliest departure is at 11:46 am and the last departure is 8:50 pm and it costs about 45 to 55 euros per person. The bus journey between Rovaniemi to Ivalo is around 4 hours and it will cover a distance of 307 kilometers. And now we are crossing the Santa Claus village. If you are in Finland for a short while, then you can enjoy the reindeer and husky rides in Santa Claus village itself within Rovaniemi. They won't be as amazing as in Ivalo, but they're still worth it. If you have more time, then Ivalo is the best place to experience all of Finland outdoor excursions. After a 4 hours long journey, finally we have reached Ivalo. The bus dropped us right in front of our hotel. So we are staying in the holiday club. So here is the quick tour of our holiday apartment in the holiday club. So it's a 2 BHK holiday apartment. As you enter, there is a full-length mirror and there is a powder room on the right hand side. Then there is a fully equipped kitchen with electric kettle, refrigerator, microwave. There are glasses and mugs as well. Dishwasher, complete cutlery set, utensils, water boiler, toaster, set of spatulas, dishes and some other kitchen essentials like grater, beater and microwave safe trays. Along with the cooktops. This kitchen has everything one can think of. Then there is a hall area with a dining table, comfy sofa and a TV. Although the entire apartment is temperature controlled, they also have provided a fireplace. There is a huge balcony connected to the hallway with a barbecue setup. Next is bedroom number 1 with a queen size bed and table lamps on each side. There is also a cupboard for storage and it's quite spacious. And this is bedroom number 2 with twin beds and cupboards for storage. Finally, the washroom, which is again quite spacious, has a washing machine. This is the shower area. And the best part of this washroom is to have a personal sauna. And this is actually super cool as the Finnish sauna is a substantial part of Finnish culture. This apartment is a perfect stay for family and bigger groups. Also, if you're planning to cook your own meals, then this apartment is just right for you. Now we are heading out for dinner. There are many restaurants right opposite our stay and we are planning to go to Annie's. This is a quick look around the restaurant, very Christmassy and jolly ambience. Here's our food and it's time to dig in. Now we are going back to the hotel as we have to get up early tomorrow morning for the most awaited adventurous activity of our Finland trip. And that is Reindeer Sleigh Ride. We have booked the tour online and the tour cab driver will come at 8:30 am tomorrow morning for pickup, so it's time to sleep. Good morning and it's 8:30 am and the tour cab is here and we are all set to experience Lapland's authentic reindeer sleigh ride tour. We have booked this tour online with Northern Lights Village. You can visit their website for more details. This tour includes hotel pickup and drop-off and the duration of the experience is about 3 hours, which includes 45 minutes reindeer sleigh ride. Now we have reached the Northern Lights village. Since it's an outdoor activity, snowsuits, thermal boots, mittens and other winter accessories are provided within the package. They are part of the tour, no need to pay extra for the winter accessories. And we are all set for the magical experience ahead. Here's our guide. She is briefing everyone about the reindeers.
When we go close to them, move very slowly, no big noises like laughing so loud or something. So keep your voice down. And when you sit down in the sleigh, sit down immediately, because if you stand like this and reindeer in front of you thinks like time to let's go, he already takes 2 steps and you're gonna fall down. That's for sure, I know that. So that's why. And when you are in the sleighs, we give you nice blankets and take photo for you if you like to. So your only job is just relax and enjoy this trip.
We have grabbed the front sleigh and we are all set to enjoy a peaceful, soothing ride through the snow. Now, I will share some interesting facts about reindeers. Reindeers are gentle and majestic animals. They are naturally timid and they used to be the main mode of transport before the snowmobile came along. Lapland has a reindeer population of about 2 lakhs, which is much more than entire people living in Lapland. Reindeer antlers drop and regrow every year. Reindeer's favorite food is lichens.
In the quiet evening, snow is falling, and from every window shines a light. Somewhere in the distance, drums are calling, but no one heeds their call tonight. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, again ring true. As I walk through the streets of my old hometown, I hear sleigh bells ringing in the air. There are Christmas decorations all around. Tonight love and peace are everywhere. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true.
And finally, the magical reindeer sleigh ride comes to an end. This was surely such an amazing experience. Totally worth coming all the way to Ivalo for this excursion. Now we are heading to one of the region's oldest reindeer farms where we can meet and feed these magnificent animals. But before that, as a part of this tour, we are provided hot tea, which is definitely a much needed at this temperature and continuous snowfall.
Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you.
In order to ensure safety, our guide is giving proper instructions on how to interact and feed the reindeer.
The child is born Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you.
We are feeding lichens to the reindeer. It's their favorite food. So basically, lichens are a group of tiny plants that look like a moss. This was surely a great experience. After interacting and feeding the reindeers, we are all gathering at the reindeer herder's hut with a very warm welcome and hot beverages. There are options for both vegetarians and non-vegetarian. There is unlimited salmon soup with bread and butter for non-vegetarians and cauliflower soup with bread and butter for vegetarians. I opted for the vegetarian option, and trust me, never before has a bowl of cauliflower soup tasted so delicious. It was just yum and much needed to warm up the winter chills. This authentic experience definitely offered a taste of Lapland's culture and traditions, and this was surely a unique part of our visit. And just like that, our tour is over and now we are heading back to the hotel. To summarize, this tour includes hotel pickup and drop, English speaking guide, reindeer farm visit, reindeer sleigh ride, feed and pet reindeer, and hot beverages. This was surely a magnificent experience, and we would love to come back Ivalo someday to experience this magical experience once again. I would highly recommend this reindeer sleigh ride tour in Ivalo if you are planning to visit Finland. With this, we come to an end of this video. If you find this video interesting and informative, then please do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also, do write us in the comment box for any feedback or questions. We would be more than happy to answer your queries. We will see you all in the next video with another exciting adventure in Lapland. Till then, take care and bye-bye from Home and Explore.